Unraveling the Cosmos, the tale of white dwarf mergers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and engaging. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that blends the beauty of the cosmos with the precision of English language: white dwarf merger. Whether you're a language learner or a space enthusiast, this video is crafted to illuminate this fascinating phenomenon in a way that's easy to understand. Let's embark on this stellar journey together and explore what happens when the stars align, quite literally. Before we delve into the merger part, let's first understand what a white dwarf is. Imagine the life cycle of a star, not much unlike our Sun, coming to its final stages. A white dwarf is what remains after a star has exhausted its nuclear fuel and shed its outer layers. It's a dense, Earth-sized core that's left glowing from residual heat. Despite its smaller size, a white dwarf holds nearly the mass of our Sun, making it incredibly dense. Picture this: a teaspoon of white dwarf material would weigh as much as an elephant. Now, let's talk about the merger part. A white dwarf merger occurs when two white dwarfs, which are in a binary system, spiral inwards and collide with each other. This event is not only a spectacular cosmic ballet but also a critical process in the universe. The merger can lead to various outcomes, including the birth of a neutron star, or even a type Ia supernova, which astronomers use as cosmic yardsticks to measure the universe's expansion. The concept of merging not only signifies the physical coming together of these dense stars but also represents a key mechanism in the cosmic cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Understanding white dwarf mergers is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps astronomers unlock the mysteries of the universe, such as how elements heavier than iron are formed. These events are also essential in studying and measuring the vast distances across the cosmos, aiding in our understanding of the universe's expansion rate. For English language learners, grasping these concepts can enhance vocabulary and comprehension skills, especially when dealing with scientific literature or discussions. We hope this journey through the cosmos has illuminated not just the concept of white dwarf mergers but also enriched your English vocabulary and understanding of complex scientific phenomena. Remember, the beauty of learning is not just in knowing the facts but in understanding the stories and processes that shape our universe. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting explorations into the English language and beyond. Until next time, keep looking up and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.